This is freaking crazy. I literally had this bird literally fly right over to me. And he's sitting there talking to me, man. Look at this. This is crazy stuff. Look at this thing. What's wrong, bud? What's wrong? Talk to me. Say hello. Say hello to America out there. Just chillaxing. Oh, yeah, this is a freaking wild bird getting ready to launch. And he's sitting there talking to me. Literally flew down, started talking to me, picked him up, and he's just chilling. Say hello. Talk to him. What's wrong? What's wrong? Tried to give it a piece of bread, didn't want it. What's wrong? Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. What's up? Talk to me. Okay. All right. Crazy.